Got this new Sonos Roam. It's a pretty good device when it's working for you. These just came out and documentation isn't completely clear on some of the issues that you might see right up front. First of all is if you were using your Roam and everything was working fine and then you just disconnected from it and walked away and it wasn't plugged in, you'll kill the battery. It doesn't shut off by itself. And you'll see a blinking red light, orange light actually. It's like an amber, almost red color at the bottom. It'll just sit there and blink. And your button on the back, it won't do anything. You can push it, you can hold it, you can try to do the reset actions that they give you in the instructions about press and play and doing the button at the same time on the back, but it won't do anything. It just won't behave to anything. What I found is it's really just you've got to get it charged back up to the point where it can respond. And as soon as you connect your cable to the back, that orange light's going to go to solid, still orange, meaning I don't have enough power, and it's going to charge. And it may take longer than you think. These, when they're new, the battery takes a while to charge, and then this will turn to white, and then you'll be able to use it as normal. So if you're getting that flashing orange light or flashing red light, it's normal. Your battery's just dead. You got to charge it up. As soon as you put the power cable on, it's going to go to red. It'll come back to life, and all your settings will still be preserved. So this one's been charging for about an hour. You got the white light here up near the Sonos logo and a white light up here near the microphone indicating the microphone's on, and that red or amber flashing light has gone out. So we're charged up and back to functional again. Hey, I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on with your new Sonos Roam speaker. And if you would, give the video a thumbs up, and that way it'll help other people find it as well. Have a great day.